Okay, so I just read about this new IDE called Simple IDE that's made specifically for VB.NET development on Linux. How wild is that?
Wait, really? VB.NET on Linux? I never even thought about that combination. What's the main selling point?
It actually has a super modern interface with features like multi-file tabbed editing and real-time syntax error detection. Pretty neat, right?
Absolutely. I mean, that would totally make coding feel smoother. It's like they're bridging a gap that hasn't been addressed before.
Right. And get this. They even integrated an AI assistant called Claude. It helps with code generation and refactoring.
Whoa, that sounds like a game changer. I can only imagine how much time that could save. Is it easy to use?
Definitely. You can have multiple chat conversations with Claude, and it remembers history, so you can pick up where you left off.
That's kind of brilliant. It's almost like having a coding partner that's always available. I wonder how accurate its assistance is.
It generates smart code suggestions based on your project context. I mean, imagine coding and getting instant pointers. It's like turbocharging your workflow.
Yeah, I bet that could significantly reduce learning curves for newcomers. Plus, let's not forget about the project management tools for easy navigation.
Totally. There's a project explorer that parses VB proj files and even shows the hierarchical code structure. So organized.
Wow, that really aligns with how important code readability and management is. I think I'd enjoy navigating in that environment.
Exactly. And the build system uses the .NET CLI for automated builds, which is a big plus for efficiency.
I'm picturing that. It must feel great to build and run with just a click. Is there support for debugging too?
Yes, you can switch between debug and release configurations with ease. It's like they thought of everything.
But what about the user interface? Does it feel modern or clunky?
Great question. They have customizable themes, both dark and light options. It feels quite sleek and modern.
Nice! That's important for long coding sessions. Nobody wants to strain their eyes, right?
For sure. And the layout shows the build output panel with error navigation, which is super helpful.
Wow, it sounds like they really considered the developer experience in detail. What about common features like code completion?
Oh, they nailed it! There's intelligent code completion with hover tooltips and parameter hints, such a time saver.
That's awesome. I can imagine how that would speed things up, especially for complex functions.
Definitely. Plus, you can manage references for NuGet packages easily, which is key for modern development.
I'm really starting to feel like this could compete with other IDEs. What's the installation process like?
It's actually pretty straightforward. You just need .NET 8.0 and GTK dependencies. Then you clone the repository and build it.
That sounds easier than I expected. Makes it accessible for newbies. Any known issues?
Well, there are some minor path issues and a couple of quirks with the text buffer, but nothing major.
Got it. Hopefully they'll iron those out quickly. I'm really intrigued now.
Same. I think the combination of that AI assistant and the modern tools could really elevate coding productivity.
Absolutely. It's like they're reinventing the wheel for a niche community. I'm really curious about the future updates.
And here's the kicker. Simple IDE could usher in a whole new user base for VB.NET in the Linux world.
That's a brilliant point. If more developers get into it, we could see more innovations in the language itself.
Exactly. This could completely change the game for how developers approach VB.NET projects.
I can't wait to see how this evolves. It's such an exciting time in the development community.
Yeah, and it makes me think, what if other languages had similar dedicated tools on Linux?
Oh wow, that could lead to such a rich ecosystem of support. Imagine Python or Java getting this treatment.
That's mind-blowing. Everyone would benefit from such streamlined environments. It'd be a developer's paradise.
Exactly. But for now, simpleide is definitely leading the charge. It's exciting to witness.
Couldn't agree more. And it makes you wonder about the potential of open-source collaboration, right?
Absolutely. The community support can drive innovations faster than anything else.
So what do you think? Are you tempted to give it a spin?
You bet. It feels like there's so much to explore. This conversation has me thoroughly hooked.
Same here. I'm excited to dive into it and see what cool projects unfold.
For sure. Let's stay updated on this one. It's shaping up to be really promising.